Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the how to change the Java editor syntax colors in the Eclipse. So this guide explains how to customize the colors of the Java code elements and including the comments, Java docs, keywords and strings in the Eclipse IDE. So steps to change the syntax coloring. So number step 1, open the preferences, access the preference window via the menu and Windows and Linux. So we are going to follow same process and Windows at the top menu bar you can see the windows, and when you click on this windows and preferences, so if you click at the bottom you can see the preferences. So in Mac also same Eclipse and preferences. So step 2, navigate to the Java editor, Java syntax coloring. In the preference dialog, use the following path: Java editor and syntax coloring. So once I click on the preferences, so it will open up the pop-up window. Like, you need to go with the directly to the Java. So I will close it. You will get an error. So you can directly go to the Java and you open this, expand this, and in Java we are going to have the syntax coloring. So for that, in editor we are going to have the syntax coloring. So you need to click on this syntax coloring. So where you can see the elements. The elements are like Java, Java and all this. So this is the syntax coloring. The default colors and fonts can be configured on the text editors and on the colors and fonts and preference pages. So now what I'm doing means, when I open this Java, so for different like abstract classes, abstract methods, string names, class names, enums, inherited, keywords, all number operators, so their mentioned colors we can. So now I click on for the methods, already it is enabled, and for operators it is okay. Numbers, so I can change the color of the numbers. I can click on the bold color, so it will apply into the code. So suppose here when I click on apply and close, so it will apply automatically to this. And moving to the next, like Java doc. So in the Java doc I have the HTML. So this is the my Java doc HTML. So now I change this color to the something like pink. So and I close. So you can see the code is automatically changed to the pink. And similarly, I'll scroll up down, scroll up. And similarly for the links and like this one, blue color and others and the tags. Here tags are other and deprecated. So I can change this color, right? I'll keep yellow. Okay. So you can see other. So it looks very roll. So okay. So other and deprecated. So you can mention in the multi-line comments in the Java docs. And similarly, when you go to the comments, we have the multi-line comment and single-line comment and tags. So when I click on multi-line tag, like suppose this is this comment may span, so it is in many colors, so I will keep it as it is. So I'm not going to change this. Here I selected this one. So see, if I selected this like light maroon color, and if I click OK, so it is changed the day. So I will change that to OK again. So it is done. And similarly for the single line comment, we are going to a violet color. So if I change to some other color, so it automatically changes. Okay. So this comment is given. Okay. So I'll keep it back. I think violet color. Okay. Violet. And similarly for the tags and everything. So this way we can make the syntax coloring. So this will apply to the code. So once you come down and apply and close this window. So now the select elements are to be customized in the syntax coloring panel. You will see a list of Java elements such as single line comment, multi-line comments, Java doc tags, keywords and strings. They have seen all these things. So change the color from each element you want to modify and select the elements in line comments and make sure the enable checkbox is checked and click the color box next to the color to open the color picker and choose the desired color. For maroon, use the RGB 12800, optionally toggle bold or italic styles. We have seen all these things. And finally, we click on the apply and save after making all changes, and click apply and close and save to exit. So after saving this, we can see the summary of this, like all windows, we are going to preferences, and in Java and editor and syntax coloring. So after that, we are going to apply the colors. We follow these steps, like follow an addition path above and select single line comment and multi-line comments. We enable the color options and pick the like apply and close the preference window. So your comments will be now appear in the maroon color in the Java editor. So real time examples, and this is single line comment will appear maroon, like whatever colors we applied. So that are going to be applied for the single line comment and multi line comment, and for the Java doc arguments, like the code and everything. So it will apply for the everything like this. So suppose we find some example, like now I will take the some code and I will create one code class question syntax values. Okay, this is my class. So it is already applied class name like pink color. So now I go with main method. So when I click main method, it is going to add. So see, so the main method is taken the red color. And similarly, when I go with the same in the case to better for this string input. So you can see the string is changed and string output wait first to it's the and I'm going to add a input variable the rest but simple. Yeah, you can observe it. The all the Java and Java documents and all are going to be applied here. Finally, I'm going to paste this. Well, so finally, I'm printing the outputs. Okay. So now I'm going to run. Whatever, remember on it. Test it. It's launching the testing syntax colors. For that, now I am going to add the comments. So per serial comment, see it is a printer output. Okay, now I am going to add the serial comment. So this is my above book, and now I am going to add that. Different methods in output. So now I need to comment multi-line membership slash. So see, so it is printed in the this how the the syntax coloring works in the Eclipse. So we can change into bold, italic, underline, all these things. So this is helpful for the for better visibility and for the all the classes, methods, and strings everywhere. So thank you.